I'm here to report to you digital entrepreneurship and inclusive growth, how tech startups are bridging economic gaps. This is prepared for Mr. or Dr. J.P. Espedido, our professor in global entrepreneurship and sustainable business at Mapua University, prepared by yours truly, Regina Nagares. So let's go on the first slide. Digital entrepreneurship and inclusive growth, how tech startups are bridging economic gaps. The main objective of this study is to analyze the contribution of digital entrepreneurship to inclusive economic growth in the United Arab Emirates, to interpret industry-level participation and its impact on digitalization and sustainable practices, to identify the challenges and opportunities faced by technical startups in fostering inclusive growth, to recommend strategies for enhancing digital entrepreneurship ecosystem that support equitable economic participation. So these are the tools that I use. Descriptive statistical methods were applied to interpret quantitative data. Comparative analysis identified differences in digital adoption and sustainability across industries. Thematic analysis was used to interpret qualitative data, and visual aids such as charts and tables are utilized to effectively present the data and interpretation. So just to add on the tools and techniques, I also conduct a survey with various industries in United Arab Emirates, like businesses such as telecommunication and hotel and restaurant, retail and merchandising. So let's go on. And so these are the key insights. Digital adoption. The telecommunications sector leads in digital transformation, leveraging automation and AI to enhance connectivity, service efficiency. Sustainable accounting. Industries such as hospitality and shipping increasingly use digital tools for transparency and sustainable reporting. Inclusive participation. Startups in various industries that empower small, medium-scale industry and underrepresented groups through accessible platforms and digital marketplace. Economic diversification. Digital entrepreneurship contributes to the UAE's economic diversification agenda, reducing the dependency on oil and expanding knowledge-based sectors. Key challenges are digital skill gaps among workers in non-tech sectors, unequal access to financing for smaller startups, cybersecurity and data management issues, and regulatory constraint on emerging technology.